Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release a crochet tutorial every week. And this week I'm bringing to you this absolutely lovely scrunchie. I absolutely adore it. It's so delicate and lacy. And the free pattern is, as always, available on my blog selinaveronique.com along with the free pattern, so don't forget to check that out. It will be in the link in the down bar. And I absolutely adore it. I've crocheted it with 100% cotton yarn, so this is the yarn that I used. It's Drops Muscat and it's 100% mercerized cotton. I absolutely love this colour. This is colour 02, but obviously you can choose whichever colour you prefer. And it is 100% cotton, like I said. It is a DK weight yarn in British terms and a light 3 yarn in American terms. And the suggested crochet hook is 4mm. Which is what I used. So I used a 4mm crochet hook. I also used a tapestry needle and a pair of scissors. So you will also be needing a simple elastic band. As always, I will be linking all these products in the down bar, so don't worry about that, with all the exact details. Lots of photographs will be available on my blog selinaveronique.com just to help along the way, or if you want to have like a closer look at this pattern. So this is a very beginner friendly pattern, and I will be speaking in US terms with British terms in brackets. And before we jump into the tutorial, I just wanted to remind you to subscribe to my channel for a new crochet tutorial every week, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And also, I once again wanted to let you know that my Patreon channel is coming very soon, and I'm very excited. It's coming in a couple of weeks in April, so watch this space. A lot more details will be coming soon. Okay, so to begin this tutorial, you will be taking your elastic band, your crochet hook, and your yarn. So I'm just gonna take my yarn. Okay, so take your yarn, and I'm just simply going to attach it around the elastic band, very simply. So just attach it. And then I'm going to just do a double knot like this. And I am going to be weaving in my loose end as I go. So just take your elastic band, so hold it in one hand and your crochet hook in the other. You are going to be taking your yarn and chaining one like this. So now that you've chained one, what you are going to be doing is crocheting single crochets all around the elastic band. So to do this, you are going to be placing your crochet hook inside the elastic band, taking your yarn and pulling it up like you would usually whilst doing a single crochet. Now take your yarn and pull through both loops to create your single crochet. Now just go and make another one. So really you are creating a row of single crochets all around this this elastic band like so. So there isn't a specific number that you need. However, I will be pushing them up like this, just so that I have as many as I possibly can fit on this elastic band. So that's what I'm going to do. So just go ahead and just place as many as you want, and just from time to time just push them a bit, and then I'll meet you back once you've gone all the way around the elastic band. Okay, so once you've placed a certain number of of single crochets and you're happy with the number of single crochets you've placed, you are simply going to be going into the first chain 1 that you did and slip stitch through that to finish off this round, like so. And now for row 2, you are going to be chaining 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as your first double crochet. And what you are going to be doing now is placing 2 more double crochets within that first stitch here. So to make your double crochet, you are simply going to wrap your yarn around your hook like this and go back into that stitch, pull up a loop, and you have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn, pull through 2 loops, take your yarn, pull through 2 loops once again, and this is a double crochet. And now go back in with a 3rd double crochet in that first stitch, and there you go, you have 3 double crochets together in 1 stitch. Now go into the next stitch and place 3 double crochets inside that stitch. So 1, 2 and 3. So go into the next stitch with 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, and just go all the way around and place 3 double crochets inside each and every stitch around, and so you will be getting that frilly effect. So that's absolutely normal. The fact that you're placing 3 double crochets in each stitch will give it a frilly effect, so that's absolutely normal. So that's what we're looking for. So just go all the way around placing 3 double crochets in each stitch, and then I'll get back to you to show you the rest of the pattern. Okay, so I've gone round the entire project. As you can see, it really gives that frilly effect that we want. I finished all my double crochets, so now I'm simply going to slip stitch to that 3rd chain here from the beginning. So simply slip stitch through that. And now you are going to be, for the 3rd row, chaining 3. So chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as our first double crochet. And now what we are going to be doing is placing simply 1 double crochet into each double crochet from the previous row. So locate the next double crochet and place a double crochet on top of that, and then locate the next double crochet and double crochet on top of that, and into the next double crochet. So we are simply placing 1 double crochet into each double crochet from the previous row until the end of this row. So this is what it looks like. So just do this until you reach the end of the row, and then I'll show you what to do then. Okay, so I've gone round with my double crochets, as you can see, and I'm loving how this scrunchie is looking. So now to finish off this row, you are going to be slip stitching to the 3rd chain that we did, like so. So just go ahead and slip stitch. And now for the finishing row, we are going to be crocheting a chain arc edging. So to create your chain arc edging, you are going to be chaining 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this stitch goes with this stitch here, if that makes sense. Now just skip the next stitch and go into the next with a single crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, skip the next stitch and go into the next with a single crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and skip this stitch and go into the next with a single crochet, and just do this all the way around. So chain 3, skip 1 stitch and go into the next with a single crochet, and once you get to the last stitches, I'll show you what to do to finish off this round. Okay, so I've almost finished this row, and to finish off this row I'm simply going to be placing my last single crochet in this stitch here, and yeah, we've finished. So what we are going to be doing is fastening off, so just fasten off and pull your yarn through like this, and then you only need to sew in this loose end. So this is what we have. I absolutely adore this scrunchie. It's so feminine and pretty. So thank you again for watching. Don't forget to check out all the details of all my crochet world, feminine crochet world, you know, my Instagram. Don't forget to follow me there. Don't forget to check out my Patreon, which will be live in just a few weeks in April. Very exciting. And yes, thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.